Good morning. It's just come up to 7 o'clock on a very, very sunny, nice morning. Let's face it, it's been a bit of a crap summer, but what a lovely day it is today. I'm just about to start walk number 1215, where I will reach the 5,000 mile milepost, if you like, yeah. I've been walking since, Daddy walking since, something like I'm half asleep, sorry. I've been walking almost daily since September 2012. And a bit to sort of lose weight. I mean, it's still game on and I'm fighting a losing battle, but I don't be drinking food too much anyway. Enough of that, so. In about an hour's time, I'm due to reach the 5,000 mile post, for want of a better word. So just ready to start the application again now.
50.
There she goes. A lovely, delightful voice.
Activity started.
Activity started. So yeah, okay. So here we go. It's my almost white van there, which brings me to work every day. So I drive here at silly o'clock to miss the traffic. Do this walk and then clock in about 8 o'clock and start a day's work. So anyway, excuse me, I'm actually brain dead this morning. I've got a bit of the touch of the old man flu. Anyway, it's a lovely morning for it, as they say. Let's cross the road now to the to enter the Roding Valley Nature Reserve. I don't get run over in a bloody process. Oh, fucking fell over. I've actually only all the walking I've done, I've actually only fell over twice, which is quite amazing, really. It's a bit rock and roll. Morning. I tend to see same people every morning, mostly dog walkers, of course. Into the nature reserve now. They suddenly transformed into this wonderful world of nature. Green and bird song. Not much bird song this morning, though. Oh, there you go, that's a garden warbler. It's a bit rock and roll here, it's a bit because of the rain last night. It's a garden warbler. Just saw a painted lady butterfly, can't even talk. There's two garden warblers, got two for the price of one here. Let's just pause for a second. One on the right, one on the left. Some common crows joining the chorus as well. One of them feeling good to be alive morning. I don't fucking feel particularly, excuse my French, or German as it is. I don't feel particularly alive at the moment, I must say. Just a pause here. Song's Rush, singing its heart out there somewhere. Well, it was. On the return leg of the journey, this is about the spot where I should hit the 4 mile mark, if you like. This thus reaching the 5,000 mile total. That's should have anyway. Just coming up to the river road, and I can't stand my arms at the best of time. Which I now follow the river all the way round basically to the end of the walk. It's about 2 and a bit miles long. Sometimes see a heron here or a little egret. Nothing today. What I like about this place is every morning there's something different to see, and the point in question is a dinghy skipper, I think the pronunciation is correct. And there's thistle here. Let's see if I can get a shot of it before it flies away. There you go. The dinghy skipper of all things. Been a crap year for butterflies this year because of the rain, and it was a wet spring, wet early summer, and it's just been wet. But no good for butterflies at all. Well, thank you, dear. That's top of the application. If I stand too long, still for too long, the application loses track of the GPS signal, and the lady in my phone tells me to get my finger out and get walking again. Coming towards me is a dog walker, 2 dogs. I see them every single morning. I tend to see the same people every morning. Good morning. Doing a video diary. This is the 5,000 mile mark.
Oh, have you?
We'll be when I get to this point on the way back.
Oh.
Yeah, so being a saddo that I am, you already know it anyway. I'm videoing it.
Nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. I like you.
Well, we all have our wee quirks.
Oh, thanks for that. See ya. Yeah, you. Cheeky cow. That's a fair cop though. Should be coming up to the 1 mile mark. I don't know what's happened to the lady on the phone. She's got to sleep, I think. There she goes.
1 mile.
Lovely voice, eh?
Duration. Minutes. 52 seconds. Pace. 18 minutes. 52 seconds per mile. 106 kilocalories burned.
Kilo? What's a fucking kilo? It's like... Oh dear. Morning, nice one, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it?
It's not right, there's nothing to moan about now, is there?
No, I don't know what to say to people.
I know,
Yeah.
it'll never do.
No. Normally say, oh, it's going to cloud over, it's going to back. I got caught in it yesterday. But
Yeah. I don't think we'll have to wait too long, though, will we?
No. Definitely not.
All right.
The cricket started at Loughton today, so that's what the guy bought.
Oh, okay, yeah, and I washed my trainers hanging out to dry, so that's between the two of them.
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
It, yeah. Have a good day. Cheers,
Yeah,
mate.
and you,
Bye. It's a nice people over there, it's really nice. Here comes a regular greyhound. Hello, come here. Come on, let me stroke you. Not a dog, not a real dog. Look, I kid you not, retired greyhound. Morning, sorry, I'm talking to myself on the camera again. Oh. It's a 5,000 mile one this time. Yeah, sorry, I'm such a saddo, but that's the way I roll.
Oh, that's a long old while.
Yeah. But anyway, yeah.
How many years do you know?
It will be. I started in 2012, so it'll be 4 years this September.
Wow,
but it's still work in progress.
Hello, Barney.
Yeah, nice. Have a good day, yeah.
Nice day.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Take care. Bye. Lady and her husband taking retired greyhounds. What a fantastic thing to do. Give them a quality of life. Really nice people. Just following the river now. It's along here. This is where sometimes, if you're lucky, you'll see a kingfisher or two. A magpie here. There you go. Get in the frame, fella. A member of the crow family. They'll eat absolutely anything, dead or alive. Anyway, they look nice. In the distance there is some Canada geese. Not sure what you call a collective of Canada geese. I guess a lot will probably do it because there's a lot of them. But nestled amongst them is a grey-leg goose, which is Britain's largest native goose. See if I can zoom in on it without causing a disturbance. Where is it? Can't see it now. Can't see it. There was a grey-legged goose here. All right, boys and girls. That's odd. Oh, my mistake. I must have been mistaken. They start moving their heads up and down. That's a sign not to come any closer. So I'll heed the warning. Get a bit ratty, especially when there's youngsters around. It's a lovely place here. In the distance I can get a reed warbler. Let's see if I can get a bit closer to it. Oh, there's a heron up in that tree there on the island. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. There it is, a grey heron. Oops. Always something different to see every morning. Morning, morning. Love, beautiful, isn't it? Just about approaching the 2-mile mark. Somewhere around here, just along this bit here, and sort of amongst the blackberry bushes, there's a raspberry bush. Also quite often eat the raspberries. A healthy breakfast.
Distance 2 miles. Duration 37 minutes 31 seconds. Pace 18 minutes 39 seconds per mile. 210 kilocalories burned.
I'm a bit slow this morning, 18-minute pace. That's because I'm not very well. Have I mentioned that at all? What's that? Morning. It's approaching the end of the walk where I about turn. Pet dog. Come here. Pet dog. I don't know what the dog's name is, but it's a dog. A real dog. It's all about the dogs over here. I love the dogs. Got Dexter the dog, Sid the dog. We've got a couple of we've got a couple of Dexters. There's a Sid, there's a Toby, there's a Finn the Black Labrador. All about the dogs. To the end now, a little bit. Morning. That's it, that's the end of the walk, so make my way back now. Walking around the lake now. Going to walk back on the real wild side of the reserve, if you like. Very nice. Morning. Nice view across the lake. And look at that. you know. What do you say? So privileged to be able to walk around a lovely place like this. Just about to cross over the River Roding. I can say River Roding. No, you can't, boy. Into the actual nature reserve part of the place. Nice views to be had here again. This is the it gets a bit wild. It's a mixture of sort of forest, open space. Looks a bit muddy still here. Be careful. Yeah, mixture of forest and open land. There's a chef singing there. It's coming out of the forest now into the open land. You quite often see rabbits running around here. Although not this morning, I think. The damselfly there. Oh, sorry, it's a dragonfly, not damselfly. Anyway, it's gone. It's been an absolute crap year for butterflies, as I said earlier on. It's just like really awful. Normally along here on the stinging nettles you see like peacock and small tortoiseshell caterpillars feeding on the nettles, but I've seen nothing at all this year on them lines. Absolute disaster here for butterflies. I know that moths too. There's a couple of meadow browns there. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. One meadow brown. A meadow brown. A female, I think, if memory serves. Oops, gone. A bit camera shy. There's not much to see this morning. It's bird song's quiet and three little butterflies. Oh, what's this? Could this be the highlight of the day? A slug. The walk's not over yet. There's another mile and a bit to go yet. Anything can happen, and sometimes does. I was walking about this time last year, and I just sort of turned the corner, and it was it's awful really. There was a dead muntjac deer laying across the path, and really it shook me up for days, to be honest. Something I'll try to forget about. Wasn't very nice. Don't know what happened to it, whether something attacked it, I don't know, but anyway, enough said. It's a blue tit calling now. Oh no, that's actually it's not. It's a reed warbler that we can hear, but what I can see is a great tit. It's really odd. The reed warbler's just to this side here. Oh well. Won't give up my day job. Reed warbler is one of the cuckoo's prime victims. You know, I'm sure you'll know about the story about the cuckoo. I forget the technical name for it, but basically it's a git. It doesn't build its own nest. It evicts the eggs or the young from of a bird's nest, primarily the reed warbler in this country, and lays just one of its own eggs. Actually, it doesn't. No, I'm talking bollocks. What happens is that while the parent bird, the victim, if you like, is off the nest, the female cuckoo lays a solitary egg in the nest. Then that egg hatches out quickly. Then the young cuckoo turfs out the eggs or the young of the victim bird. Yeah, I think I got that one right. Just coming up to the spooky bit of the walk into the deep dark forest. It's a bit, you know, you're looking behind you all the time, part. And squeeze through here. Oop, shooting anything over. I think it's going to jump out on me. A chance to be a fine thing. Another person. I've met this chap before. I think he's into photography. Let's just swing the camera around. He's with him, is he? Good morning. You alright? Yeah, you? You don't often see people walking through this part, to be honest. I keep my eyes on the ground because it's just so rock and roll here. It's twigs and bleeding roots of trees and mud and everything here. It's coming up to some a patch of rosebay willow herb. Man, it just shows you how late in this summer it is when these guys come out. You know, these are mid to late summer flowering plants. They provide food for the elephant hawk moth caterpillars. I've not seen an elephant hawk moth caterpillar, I can't even say it. Take two. Elephant hawk moth caterpillar for years and years and years. You know, like most things in natural world, it seems this on a decline all the time. But that really indicates that the summer is well into the summer now. And there's a garden warbler singing in the background now. Also in the background you can hear the sound of the traffic on the M11 motorway. There's goldfinch there singing. Sort of a metallic, for a better word, sound. It's coming up to the bridge across the river. Back on the other side, on the recreation ground. Away from the nature reserve part here. Painted lady. A couple of years ago there was like hundreds of them. It was a really good year for them. Painted ladies, they're migrants from the Mediterranean and Africa. They fly away over to here, which is quite amazing, really. Ooh. Swing the camera around, there's something there. Morning. Sorry. Nice voice. Can't beat a good old Essex accent, can you? Cool dude, he's got sunglasses. He's too cool to say good morning. Oop.
Distance 4.
Oh, this is it.
Duration 1
This
hour,
is it.
25 minutes, 24 seconds. Pace 28 minutes, 27 seconds per mile. 479 kilocalories burned.
That's it. That's the 5,000 mile bit. I've done it. Do I feel any different? Well, of course I do. Just along this bit here, last year there was a dead rat lying across the path. You know, you just never know what you're going to see here. This is a place where sometimes you can see a kingfisher. I don't suppose it'll happen this morning though. And I was right. Getting near to the end of the walk now. Ah, what's that? kids at play, or there's going to be a hanging. One of the two. Just spotted a damselfly. Let's see if I can get a bit closer. No, it's buggered off. Let's try this way. A bit awkward because it's facing this way, so I can see me coming a mile away. Here he goes. That's where you bugger. It's gone. Not having much luck this morning. Oh, here's again. That's a different one. Let's have a go. This is facing the other way, so I should be able to zoom in on it. Find it on a bloody viewfinder, that is. Where are you? Is that it? That's it. I can't see the sun's glaring my eyes. Oh well, here he goes. A damselfly. Moving on. Last bit of the walk now. Last few hundred yards. In the background you hear the noise of the Central Line train from Debden coming back out to back to civilization again. All the hustle and bustle brings. Nice way to start the working day though over here. Oh, a common butterfly. We've got some of that. Swing it around. Is it a comma? Oh. I just can't get this camera to focus correctly. It has got manual focus, but I can't be asked to go into the settings to do that. Anyway, the butterfly's gone now. But that was a comma butterfly. One of Britain's native butterflies. Once upon a time it was quite rare, but it's it's becoming increasingly common. Exception to the rule, really. A lot of species of butterflies and other things of nature become rarer over the years. A bit of an event this morning, by all accounts, compared with sometimes. But that's the way it goes. Hope I don't get one over. That would be an event, wouldn't it? Into work. Well, lads. Yeah, all right. Yes, mate. Yeah, still sad.
You can't be sad, mate. Yeah, happiest man I know.
Oh well.
You know? How are you? What's happening?
No, I'm sad. Into the workshop. That's where I spend my working day. Also, I've left the aircon on. Turn it off. Yep, this is where I spend my working day. Preparing all this stuff. Big TVs, small TVs, anything you like. Keyboards. It's my rather untidy workbench. Anyway, that's enough of that. Better cock it in and get on with my work. Thanks for watching. Hope you haven't fallen asleep. Just accessing the forest part. It's this open field where hopefully the grasshopper warbler is still there doing its thing. Getting to buggery by bloody nets and fucking other bloody biting things. Jeez. Now approaching the site where I've previously heard the grasshopper warbler. Nothing at the moment. Maybe he's buggered off. There he goes. Wow. It's still here. Time to set the camera.